You're watching Twisted TV. Welcome to the channel and thanks for watching. Welcome to Doorbell News now. As usual, it's going to be a twisted and disturbing one. Grab the popcorn, dim the lights, don't forget your favorite blanket. Let's get into twisted and disturbing behavior at its worst. Without further ado, let's get started. Compton, California. Thief stealing in Carson Landing. Be aware. This creep brazenly attempted to open these people's front door in the early hours of morning. Luckily their doors were locked and he couldn't get inside. Always keep your doors locked. Compton, California. Carson Landing. The same creep thief out and about trying door handles finds a door that is unlocked. The man enters into these people's house in the early hours of 2:40 a.m. in the morning. The brazen and bold thief steals a bunch of stuff out of the homeowner's garage, while they are sleeping upstairs. The homeowners said, "Thank God he didn't go anywhere else. Or come upstairs to where we were sleeping." Scary and completely terrifying. He entered the home 3 times taking multiple items such as an e-bike, a pair of shoes, a jacket, drone gear, and some other miscellaneous items. One of the homeowners admits the mistake of forgetting to lock their door. Everybody please watch out, and always keep your doors locked and always be vigilant, my friends. The homeowners said they are guessing he tried other homes in our community and asked people to check their Ring cameras around 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning on March 9th. Here's what we got. More video of this chooch still walking around Carson Landing with his new stolen items. The sun is now up and the birds are now chirping, and this brazen bold criminal shows back up where he started. I have no doubt that this man is definitely under the influence of something. Probably on that meth. I'm not sure if this man wants to get caught or even knows what he himself is doing at this point. Completely mind-blowing to how this guy didn't wiggle the wrong handle or trigger someone's notifications to get caught, up to this point. Completely disturbing and mind-blowing. Another video of this not so smart but lucky criminal. This man must be high out of his mind. He even returned to the same house in which he robbed earlier. Again, I have no doubt that this man is definitely under the influence of something. Can you believe this chooch? This man really tried the same door again after robbing him earlier. Wow, just glad to see the door was now locked. Watch as he leaves taking the items in which he stole from this house earlier. Completely mind-blowing to how this man did not get caught in his robbing spree. Keep an eye out and always keep your doors locked, folks. Compton, California. Car set on fire. People woke up to the sound of popping tires. Terrifying. Compton, California. Suspicious person. This one is completely weird and strange, but nothing new. This person tried to enter this home and was at this front door for quite some time. Let's take a look at weird, strange and unusual disturbing behavior firsthand and see what happens. Disgusting and yuck. Cover your mouth, please. It appears we have a Billie Eilish fan at the door.
I'm sorry.
This is where the strange individual, now a door handle wiggler, attempts to enter these people's home. Luckily for them, the doors were locked. Always be vigilant and always keep your doors locked.
Oh yeah, he locked the top lock.
Damn straight. Lock all of the locks.
Well,
This person appears to be talking to herself. Perhaps she has a mental disability. Either way, this person needs to make like a tree and leave. Yes, that was a Back to the Future quote. Loved that movie as a kid. Let us know in the comments one of your favorite movies as a kid or your thoughts on the video. Thanks.
unless you want a toilet?
Does she have a Bluetooth in? Or did she just ask her invisible friend if they wanted a bullet? Strange and unusual to say the least. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We upload new content weekly. If you made it this far, please show your support and consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. This weird and strange person finally seems to be leaving. Then we see this white truck turn around. And then, yes, you guessed it. This person then turns around for whatever reason and returns. Surprise. Guess who's back? If you have content you would like to see on a future episode of Twisted TV, please send your twisted content to mytwistedcontent@gmail.com. Thanks again and thanks for watching. Until next time, always stay safe, always keep your doors locked, and always stay vigilant, my friends. And we hope to see you on the next one.
nobody push you up, nigga. Stay father, you hear me? You don't want to stop, nigga. Stop on this. I got you, up. Nigga, don't fuck with me like that, nigga. Just remember that, okay? Nigga, you got as much power as anybody, nigga. Alright? Just remember that, okay? I said, just remember that. You got just as much power as anybody, nigga. Nobody's above you, bro. Nobody has authority over you. You hear me? Nobody has authority over you. Nobody. You a man. That's it. You rebel. Nobody tell you stop. You fuck that. You know what I mean? Guys like that, nobody gonna tell you shit. You know what I mean? Like that. You hear me? My name's Jack. I'm down here.
Hello? This is Omi. You sure? Oh, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Y'all are asleep or what? Y'all are going to sleep? Okay.
This stranger came in the gate and tried to open these people's doors, not to mention being extra creepy trying to look into the windows. Be aware, and this is why you always keep your doors locked. Another bike stolen. So many bike thieves. They are everywhere, so lock your ship up, people, and avoid being a victim of this ridiculous crime. For whatever reason, this bike pirate is carrying a golf club in his hand. We have no doubt he probably stole it from someone's house before stealing this homeowner's bike. If you're in the area and missing a golf club, this guy is probably the reason. Catalytic converter theft. This homeowner's wife's Honda Accord got hit last night while they were out of town. Looks like they did a drive-by an hour before coming back and committing this crime. Reckless driving at Otay Ranch Mall. The uploader of this video said her sister's friends caught a video of reckless driving at the mall in Otay Ranch. One of them almost got hit crossing the street. Stay safe out there. Porch pirate in a car stealing packages. This guy was scanning all doors from both sides, grabbing every package in sight. Even at one point driving down the wrong way. Any information, please contact local authorities. Thanks. We hope you are enjoying the video. If you have made it this far, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on new content. Thanks for watching. Here's a second clip of the same porch pirate. Please remember this guy's face and car and be aware if you're in the area. Gun robbery at Stash Out store in Otay. Attempted robbery with gun involvement at the store Stash Out by Heritage Park. It involves the store owner, white jacket, and 4 unknown individuals. If anyone can identify any of the 4 individuals, please let local authorities know. Hope everyone stays safe. Thank you. This clip just goes to show you how fast an altercation can escalate into a very dangerous situation. Always stay vigilant, my friends. Let's take a look at this crazy clip and watch what happens.
Hey, yes, guys! Yes, guys, go! Hey, let's go! Yes, guys!
Let's take a way better look at the same altercation caught on this woman's cell phone.
Hey! It was a gun, dog!
Oh my god, there's a gun.
Not sure what this is. House party 6 maybe. Looks like a bad time to us. Looks like a wrong address as well. Homeowners were quite upset for getting woken up.
Let us in, please. It was a bug.
Hey, we're sleeping. Go away.
Clearly the wrong address. Homeowners were quite upset to say the least for being woken up.
Go away.
This group should be home studying instead of trying to party. Life choices.
You look like you're 20, you're like 21-year-olds.
Ridiculous. Bobcat alert. Homeowners said this was the second morning in a row this bobcat showed up on their driveway. Be aware and keep your pets inside. Attempted stolen theft. Low of the low. Homeowners said I was home and a man knocked at my door. I didn't open because I didn't know who he was. He knocked 3 to 4 times, rang the bell, then looked through the window to see if someone was home, but he didn't see me. I opened the door and he was like, "Oh sorry, did you use this stroller?" I told him yes, of course. I can't make out everything he is saying. We are going to agree with the homeowners on this one, that this man probably has some sort of mental illness. He is talking to himself while smoking a cig. Nope, nothing weird about this at all. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. This woman is clearly casing this house. She checks doorknobs and peers in the windows looking for a way to break in. Until the homeowner opens the door and surprises her. Let's watch what happens.
Do you know where there's a jewelry store? A what store? I put my phone down there so you wouldn't trip that. Sure. I need to charge my phone. I need to
there's a Walgreens on Potrero and 23rd.
It's that way?
It's that way. Yeah, so if you
Would I follow the road?
walk up Rhode Island this way, to the street, walk up that way, and then when you get to 23rd, head left, and you'll see it's going to go over the freeway.
Okay. And like a store? Like
Yeah, there's a Walgreens there.
And McDonald's, I mean?
McDonald's is a pretty far way away. There's one on 24th and Mission. That's like about a mile away.
Did this really just happen? This lady probably thinks she's slick and smooth as butter. This man was way too nice. Surprised he didn't invite her in for a cup of tea. Here's a second clip of this woman leaving, trying doorknobs on her way down. Can you believe this woman? The directions should have been: go down my stairs, take a left and go straight to hell, or take a right straight to the police station, which I'm going to call if you're not off my property in T-5 seconds. Drunk homeless guy attempting to steal this Ring doorbell. You won't believe this guy. Let's check him out. He clearly has no problem showing his face. Shameful. Stranger danger. This stranger attempts to get into this apartment. He rang the doorbell, then made a loud crash and ran away. What a creep. Watch as he stashes something under this trash can and then quickly retrieves it when the trolley leaves. Key to this apartment, perhaps drugs. Our guess is drugs. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Another drunk man attempting to steal another doorbell cam. Can you believe the liquid courage in this brazen thief? Of course you can. Just take a look. We are going to go on a whim here and say this man clearly has a few problems and needs to get his life together. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments on this one. Thanks. Something tells us this man is not going to remember this one in the morning. Good thing he recorded this video to watch later when he is being charged for destruction of private property. What is wrong with people these days? They have clearly lost their minds. We will never understand why people try and steal doorbell cams. You understand even if you rip one off and destroy it. Your face and the footage is already in the crowd and already recorded. Is there a secret underground market for doorbell cams that we are unaware of? We will just never understand this one. Completely unnecessary and reckless behavior, not to mention shameful. Porch pirate with a shopping cart in Noe Valley. This porch pirate brought his own shopping cart to do his early porch pirate shopping. Just another day in San Francisco. And the Chooch Award in tonight's video goes to this guy. Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Theft. This man enters these people's porch and seems to be a klepto porch thief looking for anything to steal. He steals a pair of work boots. What a scumbag. He needs to steal a belt to keep his 2 pairs of probably stolen pants up. Completely shameful. New Orleans, Louisiana. Amazon package theft. This man cruises up on this house smoking a cig on a probably stolen bike, like he's Andrew Dice Clay on a Harley. He is nowhere as cool as the Dice Man. This tool steals these poor people's Amazon package. Another one going straight to hell for sure. Completely shameful. New Orleans, Louisiana. Theft. This guy stole a rug from these people's front porch at night. What won't people steal these days? Does anyone recognize this man? These homeowners want their rug back. New Orleans, Louisiana. Another porch pirate on a bike stealing packages. It truly never ends. New Orleans, Louisiana. A few nights ago, this homeowner left his truck unlocked and someone stole some things. Sounds to me like this homeowner needs to subscribe. I recommend he stops leaving things out and starts locking his shit. New Orleans, Louisiana. Car theft. 3 young black men broke into this person's Hyundai Sonata and stole some things. They also broke the steering column and back window. They appear to have another stolen a red Honda. Be aware and keep your eyes open. Jacksonville, Florida. Bike theft. This chooch stole this homeowner's kids' bikes. He stole one bike and then had the audacity to come back for the second bike. The homeowner asked, "How do I report to police?" "Really? You pick up the phone and you call them. This world, I tell you." Jacksonville, Florida. Suspicious lady picking up flowers. A woman, not known to the homeowner, walks up to her patio, looks around and starts picking up her flowers. Homeowner is not sure where she came from or who she is. Okay, sounds weird but completely nice. Thank your lucky stars. Sounds like a good day. High five to the kind woman picking up your flowers. If you're lucky next time, maybe she will water them.
Español? Oh my God. Please. Esto. Sigue y se siembra. Okay.
What do you mean?
Jacksonville, Florida. Unwanted dogs out wandering. Dogs entered this homeowner's driveway, scaring this person's grandsons. Please keep your dogs on a leash, people. This homeowner said these dogs were terrorizing the neighborhood and that this is not the first time. Please. Always keep your dogs on a leash, folks. Jacksonville, Florida. Surprise. Another theft in the neighborhood. More scumbags out and about stealing packages today. If you know who this is, please report to the police. Thanks. Tallahassee, Florida.
Well, y'all better hurry up, bro.
Kids disrespecting homeowner's property. The homeowner says, "This is what I have to deal with when my yard is not fenced in. Sorry to hear this, and that sucks. I have a simple solution. Shut up, and get your yard fenced in. Problem solved." You're welcome. Tallahassee, Florida. Super classy man steals these people's ladder and almost a package. Watch out for people who want to go around stealing others' belongings, I guess. Real cool, the homeowner said. I agree minus the cool part sarcastically. Keep your belongings locked, folks, and always keep your doors locked. Des Moines, Iowa. Another police chase in the early hours of morning. Des Moines, Iowa. Theft. Two men in masks and hoodies broke into these people's cars. Des Moines, Iowa. We have another creepy door handle wiggler. Homeowner was alerted by his notifications and called the police. The man was gone by the time police arrived. Always keep your alerts on.